Mitchell Golden Bob Williams is a company that's dedicated to comfort. We genuinely want people to have comfortable homes and to be comfortable in who they are.
We're in Taylorsville, North Carolina. Our factory has about 70 acres. I think of it like one big family. It's just a bunch of folks that are hardworking, know their trade, they're family-oriented, they're artisans. Furniture building is a craft. Everybody does have their individual job, but yet at the same time, everybody from one end of the building to the other is working as a team. More than 75 hands touch a piece of furniture. The heart and soul is to build quality furniture. The production team is very experienced. They've all been in the furniture business, maybe second and third generation of building furniture. We also have the training program. It teaches sewing, frame building, and also upholstery. The quality of our furniture, it starts with the fabrics, the frames, the quality of the wood. Sustainability is a very big part of what we do. We've been environmentally conscious for pretty much the existence of the company. When it comes to all the people building the furniture, I don't think a lot has changed. The folks that work for us are, they're everything. What Mitchell and Bob started in the beginning is what we still have. What people do when they're building furniture is the real thing. It's just human. It's a connection that you get from something that's handmade.